Genki.
It's beautiful today.
Japan?
Japan.
Tokyo has some of the best city parks in the world. Japan Travel Today brings you to
Yoyogi Park. Performances, picnics, exercise, nature.
This is also quite the party park we found. Conveniently located between Shibuya and Shinjuku in Harajuku Station. Walking distance from the renowned Takeshita Street and right next to the Majestic Meiji Shrine. Across the street from the vintage 1964 Tokyo Olympic Yoyogi Stadium.
日本へようこそ。Come to Tokyo.
Fabulous performers, dancers, buskers, the famous rockers, puppeteers, musicians, and so much more.
Most aren't even asking for money. They just love performing their art.
から待つ、遅待つ、中止待つ。イエーイ。遅待つさん。ジャパン。
I love Yoyogi Park. It's a great place to relax and chill with your girlfriend.
Wonderful! Yoyogi Park Fitness!
Listen to all those crows. They sound like an Alfred Hitchcock movie.
Cherry blossom season in the spring, HANAMI parties, is a major thing in Japan. Making friends is as easy as saying hello. Truly wonderful people.
To Japan, it's barrier.
The Yoyogi Park Event Plaza has international festivals, cultural performances, exotic foods, flea markets, and parades.
At the other end of the park, there's a serene and peaceful, beautiful hands-on community garden.
This is the Herb Gardens.
It's my plot. I grew cosmos this year.
You are allowed to stay, party and chill all night. The fountains will even put on a light show for you. Drinking and picnicking is allowed and encouraged.
Beautiful dancers, beautiful. Brought to you by Japan Travel Today. Let's go play.
We have many more great Japan videos for you.
Jobs in Japan, best places to stay, what to eat in Japan, free volunteer tour guides, vending machines, robotics. Enjoy.